how you can log in into your Delta Airlines account. Now, before that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, open up your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but any web browser is fine. And after you've opened it up, just search for Delta Airlines login. Now, after you've searched it up, you'll see the login link right on the top. It's Delta Airlines official site, as you can see, www.delta.com. Now just open it up. Now after you've opened it up, make sure it might take some time depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. And after it's loaded up, it should look like this. Now here you can just type in your Sky Miles number, or just type in your username. Just type in your news username or your Sky Miles number, and just type in your last name too if it asks, and just type in your password. Now make sure that your credentials are correct, and if it's correct, you can just tap on login and you'll be able to log in into your Delta Airlines account. But if you don't have an account, just type in join Sky Miles and create an account. Or if you've forgotten your login or your password, just tap on either of these and just set it up, and then you can come back here and log you into your Delta account. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.